Hello, my name is Karen Miller, and today I'm going to do a pineapple blueberry pie. I have half a cup of water here, and I have some frozen pineapple. It's about a 12-ounce pack. I'm going to boil the pineapple with some ginger and agave syrup. This is going to be really good. Pineapple and ginger go so well together. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of agave syrup and let the pineapple cook down and get really soft. So this would take maybe about 30 minutes or so. Alright, and then when I come back, we're gonna do our pie. So guys, I'm back and the pineapples have gotten really soft and it's cooked down quite a bit. You see, and this is very syrupy. This is how I want it. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes. And I'm going to chop this up. I was going to put it in the food processor, but I'm just going to chop it up with the scissors like that. And take it from here. And this smells so good, guys. I mean, pineapple and ginger, it's such a great combination. It smells so good. Let's continue with making our filling. So I have a carton of blueberries here. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on this. Get this coated with flour. See, the flour is stuck to it. So when the blueberries burst open and start releasing the juices, it's not going to be watery. This is why you add the flour. I'm rolling out the dough. The recipe will be on the website. But I've done a few videos already showing you how to do this with the measurements and everything. So maybe I would link it, or I have an end screen card or something to direct you to that video where I'm doing this from scratch. I'm going to pour my blueberries with the flour and mix everything in. Mix it in and put this in my dish. We're now gonna put this in here, the filling. Simple ingredients, only the ginger. You can add some cinnamon if you like when you're cooking the pineapples, but I don't think it's necessary. We just want simple ingredients, very few ingredients. It's better this way. And now I'm going to take my top piece and cover it and bend this. This doesn't have to be perfect. Roll this. Put the top and the bottom piece together and fold it in. very rustic, as we say. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you squeeze it like this. Like this, like this. Okay. So now I'm going to baste this. So this is vegan butter, some aquafaba, and a tiny bit of agave syrup. You really shouldn't be putting too much agave syrup because you don't want the crust to burn, because the sugar will cause it to burn, but I put a tiny amount. And my oven is set at 375. I'm going to cut this. Maybe I do it all around here for the juices. Okay, stick this in the oven 375 for 35 minutes and take it out and show you what it looks like. So guys, here is the blueberry pineapple pie. It is bubbling. It has a nice color. What I did was I removed it from the oven and I basted it some more with some agave. So this is why it got this really nice brown color. Okay, if it's not bubbling, it's not done. So it's bubbling now and I know it's done, and the blueberries have bursted open, and this is gonna be so good. So this is gonna be cooling for at least an hour before I cut it open. All right. Okay guys, this has been cooling for over an hour. I'm now gonna cut into it. This pastry is really flaky. Yeah, see how this looks really good. Looking good, guys. You gotta make this blueberries and pineapple go so well together. Let me take a little taste. Oh my God. This is so good. And the ginger. It's just simple. 3 ingredients. Really good. Recipe is gonna be on the website. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And do this. The holidays are coming up. You can do this. Just do something different instead of the apple pie. Just do something different. Take care. Bye.